Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, so we talked yesterday during the webcast about 62, 63 being resistance, there being a lower high. I literally had to pause the webcast to get the room into a short. It was a nice little short. So that was like a 16 handle start to a 27 handle day. It was, so we are, where we usually are on Fridays, which is in protect the week mode, okay? Our goal is 20 a week. That's done. So today we want to make our 4 handles a day, protect ourselves, and, don't do anything galactically stupid, Fridays, especially Friday afternoons. That's typically when, things can happen that can really start to chew into your bottom line. You see the blue line here. That's your 9-day. Okay, that's your 9-day simple. We pulled back as far as they're in the overnight, touched 29, and they've rejected it pretty well. These Europe Opens have been buys, at least most of them. Not all, but most. They've been buying dips off the Europe Open. So 2:30 to 3:30 in the morning Eastern time. Just file that away. If you're over there, you can certainly take advantage of that. With a stop. We continue to be in this up grinding market. On the hourly chart, though, the bears kind of had a chance. They're blowing their chance. You had a lower high, okay? So here's your 62, 63. Here's what happened in the morning, okay? This is right where we talked. They take it down, they reject it, they make a lower high, they bring it back down to 29. So we were short, long, short. I was short 46 in the close yesterday, made some nice profit, and then my stop ended up getting taken out while I was asleep. Now we traded this high. It's 56.75. They've really got to defend 58 quarter, and they're going to have to defend it pretty well and probably pretty quickly. Maybe before I'm done talking. 62, 63 is certainly a resistance area. 60 was a problem yesterday. They need to preserve this 58 to 60 area and push back down. If they don't and they clear 63, then you're going to have you're going to have a move up to the 76 area. That's where the daily upper band is. That's the next logical area. Then you've got 90 quarter, and then you got stuff with 28s on it. I kid you not. We're really not that far away. So the bears want to defend 58. They want to get back to 29, and they're really going to have to see what they can do with next week's weekly pivot. Yesterday was the day to really get the weekly pivot involved on a continuation move down here. It didn't happen. The dip buyers are very comfortable buying these dips. They get paid every time they do, and until that dynamic stops, or until you get a little bit of a buyer strike where people just say, look, it's gone up enough, I'm not going to add here to any of the myriad of millions of dollars of positions that I run, we're going to find value down below. That's where you get a more meaningful pullback. Do I think this market needs to test the daily mid band at some point? Yeah. Do I think it's going to test it at 26.96 where it is now? Probably not. But as a function of time, that number will get higher and higher as it sheds lower prices. And I would expect, during the course of February, we will test the daily midband. And then that will be a moment where the bears can try to take charge, or the bulls can solidify that this is a contract that wants to trade above the daily midband, and then our most baseline assumption continues from where it is right now, which is to buy dips. So as far as the open today, the areas I'm going to be talking about when I go live at 9:20, we're going to talk about 39 to 46, 47, the decisions that need to get made from that level off the open and where it goes from there. So join us then. There'll be more stuff out on social. Come check that out. Come check us out. We would love to meet you. We would love to show you what we're all about, which is why I keep doing these things at 9:20. They're getting more and more popular. We're getting really good feedback. So, and I enjoy doing them. And that's always if I think it provides value, and if I'm adding value and I think it's something that people can get stuff out of, I'll do it. I don't care if there's 2 people in there or 2,000. That's not why I do this. I do this because I love it. So join us at 9:20. All right. Take care. Trade them well. Have a good weekend. Have a good long weekend. And I will catch everybody. Our next full day of trading is Tuesday. Take care. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.